Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to make some chocolate covered strawberries. So, first let's grab this chungus of Among Us.
And we've melted some
chocolate.
Ghirardelli chocolate, right?
Yeah,
in the microwave.
Chips. You need to do this for about a minute and 30 seconds. So let's get our...
How you melt it. Follow the instructions on the package.
And let's... So this is
Then you can kind of use your
spatula
to get the top.
To get the tops and sides.
Right there. There's that piece. Don't miss that piece, or else you're going to be sad tomorrow. Okay.
So then you just
stick it on our parchment paper.
Next, let's grab another big old chungus. Chungus of Among Us.
Good. And roll it around in there, Danny. Make sure you get all around. There you go.
And then away.
And then dip it again so it looks nice and smooth. There you go. And then just pick it up and pop it on there.
Maybe spread it out if you need to.
If you want that nice smooth look, though, you have to dip it. Yeah, there you go. Okay, now drop it on there.
Chungus.
See, and you just roll it around like that. Now this will harden again in about a minute and a half, right?
So you gotta be quick.
2 minutes, maybe 3. And when you're melting your chocolate, you don't want to over melt it, right? You have to put it in 30 seconds at a time to begin with. Then when your chips start melting, 15 seconds at a time. And the best part about doing
is eating them.
This is
eating them the next day.
Is eating them. They only take about half an hour actually to harden. So it's not very long, but you really want to dry your strawberries. You wash them and then you dry them, and they have to sit out on the counter for a good little while to dry them. There you go.
And the best part about this, your hands get messy and you can eat it afterwards.
Yeah. Okay, and I'll do the last one since you're licking your fingers.
And I'm going to be eating the rest of this.
No, not the whole thing.
Off the spoon.
Oh, yeah. If you ate the rest of this, you would get a huge tummy ache.
Yeah, I know. I won't be hungry for dinner.
No.
So, guys.
There we go. We got chocolate covered strawberries. And if you want to throw some little scoops of white chocolate, you can melt some white chocolate and just drizzle it over the top. Easy peasy. Valentine's Day goodness.